Hey folks, this is Tom Forsyth from TaiChiClass.org, and today I'm showing you section 3 from my 1995 VHS tape. I hope you enjoy it, and if you're a subscriber, I think you're going to see a little difference between the way I performed this in 1995 and the way I perform it today in my more comprehensive class. I hope you enjoy, and see you at TaiChiClass.org.
The feet, legs, and waist must act harmoniously so that in all movements, the timing and position are coordinated. The amount of your knee bend is a personal choice, but as a safety measure, always keep the knee within an imaginary line drawn from your toes to the sky. Choose a knee flex that you can maintain throughout the 20-minute Sun-style Tai Chi Chuan form. Turn around your waist as an axis, with your body as a wheel. As your center, your waist controls all movement and all energy. The waist turn coils the body. The hip and shoulder turns take their cue from the waist. Harmony comes from letting the center, the dantian, define all the movements. Your waist contains the weight of a spiritual center, but it's your arms and hands, as spokes of the wheel, that express that spirit. Your hands should be in tiger mouth position. Imagine that you're swimming in the air. Your fingers should curve gently toward your center, retaining dynamic tension. They're full of energy. The thumb is at a right angle to the forefinger. This is the jaw of the tiger. The same curving principle used to create tiger mouth defines your entire arm. Your wrist should be slightly canted inward. The same goes for your elbows. They retain some curve in every move. You will have different degrees of curving, but your arms consistently curve forward from your shoulders. Your movements should feel circular and energized. When moving like a ball, move with the weight of a medicine ball.